Hello, how are you? Now I'm going to show you how to add custom field in registers section in WooCommerce. Okay. To do that, first we need to add a plugin and go to add new. Add new. Upload plugin. Install now. This is the plugin name. This is the Pro plugin. Yeah, it is come with WooCommerce. Let's install the plugin. Okay, we have successfully installed the plugin. Now we need to add some setting. To do that, we need to go to user registration. Here is the general tab. Here is the registration with rule, registration fields, and notification. You can enable this authentication, or you can't enable. You can choose the rule. Okay. Uh, this is the here is the all the user rule you have. Select and any new user when he come to register, he can choose from here. Okay. We are going to the main part. This is the part. Okay, what we want, just we need to click here, toggle. This is the field name, this is the placeholder, and this is the description. Okay. If we want to require, then we need to click here. Okay, require, and with half it or full it. First name, last name, toggle here. Okay, this is also required, and we need phone number. It's all up to you. What you need, you just need to add here. Okay, save change. Okay, successfully we have done this. Now we go to the part here, refresh the page. Oh wow, we have successfully done. This is the name, this is the last name, phone number, and we can register this easily. To test for once, I'm giving the example name like John. Sample phone number, admin gmail.com. Okay, register. Okay, we are registered already. All the information we have filled up, it will go to the user section. We to see this user. This is now this one. This is the customer rule we have set. See, this is the name, This is the name we add, and this is the email. This is the phone number. Successfully we have add this. Okay, we can add also another if we add this and add this user role user and auto approve and select if we want to give the customer to choose what they will be as a subscriber, customer, contributor, author, editor. Okay, now when someone going to add uh, new register, they will find this option in the page. And if we want to add another section like zip code and region, okay, come here, let's log out this, check zip code arrive, state region arrive. Okay, all the have things finally arrive here. So finally we have done this successfully. So if you need this email, you can go to the WooCommerce, you can buy this, and if you can't afford it, you can comment me, I can help you, no problem. Thank you for seeing this video. Wish you good luck to you this online stuff. Thank you.